स्वागत. सुधागड एज्युकेशन सोसायटीचे केआ बांठिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय व एन पालीवाला ज्युनियर कॉलेज नवीन पनवेल सादर करीत आहे शैक्षणिक व्हिडिओ.
Hello student, in the previous lecture we already learned the energy pyramid. In this lecture we will discuss about biogeochemical cycle. Bio means life, geo means earth or land, chemical cycle, chemicals means some nutrients. Definition of a biogeochemical cycle is the cyclical flow of nutrients within an ecosystem is called a biogeochemical cycle. There are two types of biogeochemical cycle, gaseous cycle and sedimentary cycle. In the gaseous cycle, an accumulation of the main abiotic gaseous nutrient materials is found in Earth's atmosphere, which includes oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapors. Second one is a sedimentary cycle. An accumulation of the main abiotic nutrient materials is found in soil, sediments and sedimentary rocks, etc. of the earth, which include soil components like iron, calcium, phosphorus, etc. In biogeochemical cycle, the gaseous cycle and the sedimentary cycle cannot be completely separated from each other. For example, if carbon is accumulated in an area, then they easily absorbed by the plants or dispersed by the wind. Second example, nitrogen is present in the atmosphere in the form of a gas, but the nitrogen is also present in the compound form in the soil. As shown in the figure, biogeochemical cycle, the conversion of lithosphere into the rock soil. The lithosphere is present in the earth's crust. Hydrosphere atmosphere interaction, 75% of the area is covered with the water. And then atmosphere environment interaction. In the atmosphere, presence of a gases like carbon, nitrogen, oxygen. The biosphere is formed. Interactions takes place in hydrosphere, atmosphere and lithosphere. The nutrients are flow in biogeochemical cycle from biotic form to abiotic form and abiotic form to biotic form. The definition of a oxygen cycle is circulation and recycling of oxygen within the biosphere is called oxygen. Oxygen formed in atmosphere is 21%. Oxygen is highly reactive and it readily reacts with other elements. Oxygen is found in the atmosphere or environment in the molecular oxygen such as oxygen O2, H2O, carbon dioxide. As shown in the figure, oxygen cycle. In this figure, plants are use carbon dioxide water as a raw material, and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they make their own food. In this photosynthesis process, they given out oxygen in the atmosphere. Then animals uses the oxygen for the process of a respiration. In this process, oxygen is taken and carbon dioxide is given out in the atmosphere. After the death of plants and animals, their body decomposed by decomposers like fungi and other microorganisms. They convert their body into simple carbon compounds. Carbon also released in the atmosphere. This carbon dioxide is again taken by the plants for the photosynthesis process, and oxygen is given out in the atmosphere. In this way, the oxygen cycle is continuously going on in the atmosphere.
आपले हक्काचे मराठी चॅनल रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल सदैव आपल्यासोबत रायगड ओवी न्यूज चॅनल नेहमी पाहत रहा, लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉनवर क्लिक करायला विसरू नका.